To date, the only means we have for performing impeccable control is X-rays. As we all know, when people are directly exposed to them, they are dangerous. It is necessary to implement safety measures for the well-being of those who will use them daily, as well as for us who produce and test them. We have decided to adopt a series of safety measures that make our machinery much safer than a plane trip, or passing through a metal detector at an airport. In fact, the products are shielded to such an extent that they do not require an exposure meter for the users. A key selector prevents unauthorized personnel from operating the machine. An automatic timeout interrupts the X-ray emission after a couple of minutes to prevent accidental exposures. An integrated red totem lamp always signals when X-rays are active. We want to help companies grow through process optimization, and we want this to happen with total safety.